Okay, everyone. County sheriffs just arrived at Thacker Pass, where Paiute elders have been in ceremony this morning at the site of the Thacker Pass lithium mine, which is currently under construction. So
out here today, start off, we absolutely respect your guys' right to peacefully protest. Okay, we have zero issues with that whatsoever. This is Deputy Nicholson, who works for me. We respect your guys' right to be out here, and we don't have a side in any of this. The issue at hand, though, this is a publicly owned and maintained roadway that you're blocking access on. That is a violation of Nevada law. Okay, so what we're coming out here to ask you to do is not block the road. If you are breaking the law, it is illegal. It does fall under Chapter 405 of the Nevada by statute. You have to be here on either side of the roadway. We're not here to remove you from BLM lands. That isn't our business. That's not what we're here to do. Okay, so my intent of coming up here, let's have a polite, respectful conversation with you guys, see if this is something that we can work out.
So my understanding from the elders who are here protecting the land, this is untreated native land.
Okay.
And from their perspective, you have every right to do that.
Okay. And I'm not arguing the land side of it at all. I have no issues with the land. But the road is
blocking of the county road, my understanding is that they are interested in supporting is that which is further in their mine.
okay.
So we have stopped and had friendly chats with lots of other people who come through today, and we let everyone through who was not here as a mine worker.
Okay.
No problem.
Even with that, for the people that are here as mine workers, it is still unlawful to block that traffic on this roadway.
Yeah, understood.
So,
I think people understand that.
And even a marked sheriff's vehicle coming out here, you guys didn't run out to block the road to stop me today, which you don't have the authority to do either. And that in itself, it is
They
criminal.
ran down to grab
Grab the banner. Okay.
banner and get it out.
Oh, that's fine.
Because it was left down there. That was not
Okay.
blocking.
All right.
Just
So,
a minor correction.
that is our goal of coming up
Yeah.
here, is have a polite conversation with you guys. Like I said, we do absolutely respect your right to be up here. We have no issues with that whatsoever. It's not to come up here and have a confrontation with you, but our concern is the public roadway, because it is a publicly maintained roadway. It is maintained through federal funding, and that in itself is illegal. Okay.
Can you clarify where other than this roadway is legal place to be
You can go 2 feet to either side of it, and it's not a problem.
2 feet to either side?
Well, not, and I don't mean that in a literal
but I mean,
sense.
but
You-
beyond the right of way.
just out of the right of way. That's the only thing I'm asking, is just don't block the public roadway. If you guys want to stand right here, technically this falls under their permit, for their property. There's some open access, so, I did consult our district attorney on it. I don't have a definitive answer, so I'm not saying anything about this one way or the other right now. My only concern is this road. Other than that, where she's standing, where you guys are at, just not blocking the road or blocking access, and I know that your guys' goal is direct action. I mean, I follow all your stuff on Facebook. I've seen all the different websites and Deep Green, and I know Max and Will and their goals. So I understand what the goal is, but through that, it is a misdemeanor criminal act to go out here and do that today. So I have no issues with being up here, but I do have issues with blockage of the roadway.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, so you're just here to literally announce this to us? And
Yes.
turn around and head back home. I mean, that's literally
Yes. Now I will tell you,
everything you want to do today.
if it continues, citations can be issued for this. Okay. So that would be a criminal citation at the Union Township Justice Court. People would have to appear before the magistrate for that, or the judge. So that is where we are at with things today.
Is that's not a trespass?
No,
violation,
it's specific to blocking the roadway.
Blocking
It is
a public
specific
roadway.
to Chapter 405 NRS, so it's not a trespass. It's not for being on the land. It is specifically for blocking a publicly maintained roadway that is blocked with public funds. or excuse me, maintained with public funds. So
Okay.
that is our only goal. Because I don't want to come out here and write people tickets. I don't want to see people out here receive criminal citations. I don't think that is the goal, you know, is to end up having to cost people bail money and going to court and traveling down. And if people don't show up, you have other issues with the court. You know, I know the goal is to come up here and represent your guys' community and beliefs and what you feel is correct. I'm good with all that. I respect it. I have no issues with it. But it is illegal to block the road. And so that's where I'm at with it.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you for that information.
Okay. All right. I appreciate your time today.
You bet.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yep. Have a good one.
Does anyone want to speak to what just happened? Okay.
I guess they didn't want to speak to the people who are in charge.
I know.
That's the obvious thing to say. No interest in that. One white male is good enough.
Yeah, you're the person in charge to go like that.
Alright, we're gonna hold that up one more
Yeah, I
time.
told him walking up here I'm not in
Just
charge.
proud of you guys.
The elders are.
Luckily we had Paul here
You
to
want to
talk
talk to them?
police. We had Joe, BC, and T.
Hey, no names.
Oh, sorry. We're on public land site though.
So for those who just missed it, this video is coming to you live from Pahimaha, Thacker Pass, where this morning a group of Paiute Shoshone elders and their supporters set up this teepee on the construction site of the Thacker Pass lithium mine. Specifically, this area right here is the in-progress construction site for their water pipeline, where they plan to pump millions of gallons of water a day in the driest state in the country through a massacre site, in a known massacre site, a biodiversity hotspot, an area where there are nesting birds, an important habitat site for the production of cars. And this morning, people have been blocking the road here, preventing Lithium Nevada workers from moving back and forth along this road and accessing the work site. And we just got a visit a couple minutes ago from the Humboldt County sheriffs, who came out to let people know that it is illegal to block the public road. Now, this is unceded land. This territory was never ceded to the United States government. The only claim here is a right of conquest. And this is a sacred site. I think it's a place where moral values, spiritual values, outweigh the value of a law that is, in this case, protecting a corporation. Other people have been allowed to pass up and down this road with no problem today. People who aren't doing the work of the mine. And those people have been left to go ahead with their work, to go about their day, to go about their business. But the elders have directed people to stand up for this place, to come here, to gather here. People are asking how to support. And the elders this morning said in their live stream that they want people to come here and stand up, that they want people to join in this prayer, in this movement. Dean right now is singing a song in there, in the teepee. For those who are just joining, I'll repeat again. We're here at Thacker Pass, also known as Pahimaha in Paiute, an older name. And this is the site of a lithium mine, the largest open pit lithium mine in the country, which is being constructed right now on a very sacred, culturally important Paiute site. It's also a biodiversity hotspot. I was talking earlier this morning with a man who lives here locally, an opponent of the mine, who used to be a wildlife biologist with the state of Nevada. He was actually one of the head wildlife biologists for sage grouse for the entire state. And he said that this area up here on these mountains contains 20% of the remaining sage grouse in the world. This endangered species. This is their home. This is their habitat. Right out there, you might be able to see these plumes of dust. That's lithium workers, the ones who we weren't able to stop. Working.
Tell us what you want to do. We got a couple seconds.
So there'll be more information soon. Please follow the live stream. Please visit the website. We don't know what's going to happen the rest of the day, tonight, this evening, maybe into tomorrow, maybe into the future. We don't know what is going to come. But we are going to need support. Thank you.